Textile and Texprocess. Be there where progress is made for the future. Experience function and efficiency in person. Get ready for performance and technology at first hand. Here is the place where new impulses from the textile industry come together. Discover new developments and approaches. Exchange unique ideas and gain new knowledge. Feel state-of-the-art fabrics and textiles and explore the most modern machines. Forge new business alliances with professionals from all over the world. Experience the complete spectrum of textile innovations and, of course, the latest sustainable concepts all in one place. It's time for solutions. For all researchers, developers, innovators, and enablers out there. For the whole industry. For you. Be there where the textile sector reinvents itself. At Textile and Texprocess, the leading international trade fairs. Let's go beyond innovation and progress. Let's start shifting the limits.